This is a digital auto range multimeter. This is a digital manual range multimeter, and this is analog multimeter. Let me explain. If you've not followed me, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Click that follow button, like this video, save it so that you can find it next time and share it with anybody that it can help. This one you're seeing up here on the screen is an analog type of multimeter. If you notice, there is something common in all the meters I just mentioned. There are multimeters, meaning they have multiple meters in one. This type are the archaic ones. I don't think anybody is still using this type of meter in big 2026. So let's focus on this 2 meters. So what exactly is the difference? These two have something in common. They are both multimeters and they are both digital, but something is different. This is auto range and this is manual range. What do I mean? If you look closely on the auto range, let's say the voltmeter, like I mentioned earlier, multimeter simply means it has multiple meters in it. So it has AC voltage, this is DC voltage, this is AC millivolts. Then this is for continuity, resistor, and all that. You have frequency meter, AC ammeter, DC ammeter, and so on. You even have temperature meter, thermometer on this. And on this as well, you also have the DC voltmeter, you have the AC voltmeter as well. You have the resistance side, you have the continuity tester, you have a DC ammeter, AC ammeter, and so on. So something you will notice on these 2 meters is when switching to a meter on the auto range, let's say DC voltmeter, you just switch to DC voltmeter. There's no range there. So it picks the range automatically, and this is what the range simply means. On the digital manual range multimeter, you notice that on the DC voltmeter, there are ranges of meter. It is not just one. You have from this is 200 millivolts, 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts, and 1000 volts for the DC voltmeter. So when you want to take a reading, you have to manually select the particular range you are about to read. The only reason why you are selecting the range is such that you will get higher precision of the reading. Let me explain. So if you notice, when we are at a smaller voltage, you have up to 3 decimal places, which is you're not just reading 1 volt or 2 volts, you're reading 1 point something 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 into 3 decimal places, which increases the precision of the reading you are taking. If you increase to a higher range, 20 volts, it reduces to what? 2 decimal places. Precision has dropped a bit. If you increase further to 200 volts, it drops to 1 decimal place. Precision again has what? Has dropped. If you now go further by increasing to 1000 volts, the decimal places is gone. It is no longer in fraction. This is now just full decimal. So you are not getting that high precision when you are going higher. And you have to be doing this yourself. That voltage you can read from the range of 20, you can also read it from the range of 1000. The only difference is that that level of precision you are getting from the range of 20, you won't get it at the level of 1000. But when it comes to the auto range, you don't need to select either of that. Automatically, it is already at what? 3 decimal places. When you put the probe on the terminal you want to take the reading from, it will automatically adjust itself to give you the highest precision it can give you. So if what you are reading is below 20 volts, you are getting about 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, as the case may be. Okay, if it is below 20 volts, it is still 2 figures, and it can only display 4 figures in total, so it will move to 2 decimal places. If it is just 1 figure, that is below 10, that's from 9 to 0 volts, it will automatically switch to 3 decimal places. So that's basically the difference between the manual auto range and the automatic auto range. On the coming videos, I'm going to be breaking down how to use each of the meters on a multimeter. And since the price of solar panels are crashing in the market, I'll show you how to test your solar panel with your multimeter to be sure it is up to the rating on the description of that solar panel. If you've not followed me, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Click that follow button, like this video, save it so that you can find it next time and share it with anybody that it can help. And see you on the next video.